on the recording, and here I have to make the host. Okay, so that will be the better. Now the students are joining right now. So in the morning session, you have done encryption method. Now, how the decryption method? So only here you have to change the key. I am again going to draw the diagram. So unless and until you cannot repeat it 1, 2, or 3 times. Okay. So that is debugging the program, execution the program. Okay. And see the output with the different 8-bit plain text convert as an 8-bit ciphertext. Okay. Now, in encryption method, what we have done in the encryption method, we have considered as an input value. Here, in input value, what the plain text. Okay, and then that we have converted into the ciphertext. Correct. That is plain text you have considered and then converted to the ciphertext, and then send that message to the sender. And once that message is received in the ciphertext, that we are going to convert to the plain text. Okay, by using 10-bit key. So in the morning session that we have completed the encryption. Now come for the decryption method. How this decryption method is executed. Now, see what we have done. Just the SDES. So SDES stand for Simplified Data Encryption Standard. Okay, Simplified Data Encryption Standard. Correct. Now, what you have done? So already I am going to write here directly the key. Okay. So key I am writing here for 10-bit key. Okay. This is my 10-bit key that I have to consider 10-bit key. So this is the 10-bit key used to convert your plain text to the ciphertext and ciphertext to the plain text. Suppose I am considering the key is having 101 00 again 30. Suppose I have considered them 5. Okay, and this 10. Got it? So this is my 10-bit key. So that I have used to convert from plain text to the ciphertext again and ciphertext to the plain text. Understood? Now we have already generated from this key to again K1 key and K2 key or make the summation. That is K1 and K2. I have already explained you how you can calculate K1 and K2. Okay. First of all, key calculation K1, K2. Then next of all, what? Encryption. And now come for the decryption. So what is the value of K1 that we have calculated? Is 10, 100, okay, 100. So this is my K1 key having 8-bit. Now, what is the value of K2 here? 01, 0, 00, okay, 0, 1, 1. So this is my which key? K2 key. Understood? Now, in decryption method, I have already told you you have to take as an input value as a ciphertext. Okay. So here convert ciphertext. Suppose this is my ciphertext is my input value. This is my input value. Okay. So that I have received. from the sender. This hypertext value received from the sender. So I have got this hypertext. I have to convert to plain text. So plain text is my output in decryption. Okay. So how you can draw the diagram? The same way that I have to proceed. Just the morning that you have considered the K1 first. Here I have to consider K2 first. Now just I have draw the diagram. See, this is my input value. Okay, this is my 8-bit ciphertext. So here I am writing only the CT. So you can understood the CT stand for ciphertext. So just put it like this. So it's easy to understand. Now see the CT. Here you have to consider first here IP, initial permutation. Okay, that is why first initial permutation you can perform. So from initial permutation, suppose I have performing here. So what are the values that you have to use? So these are the standard values that I'm writing here. See, 2, 6, 3, 1, 4, 8, 5, 7. Is it visible to you? These are the values that you have to use. Now, that is divided into the four parts. Okay, so this is the first 4 part you have to consider like this, and this is the 4 part here this side, and this is the 4 part you have to consider this side. May see, this is the 8-bit ciphertext is the 8-bit key. Okay, this is my initial permutations. After initial permutation, I have to divide into the 4 parts. So this is the first 4 part, and this is another 4 part. So that you may say this is the my left 4 part and this is the right 4 part. So that right 4 part you have to transfer over here. So here I am writing R, and this one here I am writing L. Understood? Left and right part. Once I have transferred this, so go for another exportation permutation. So that I have to write over here EP. So what is this EP stand for? Exporter permutation that I have to perform. So how you can perform? So that you have to, whatever the 4-bit key is here, so that 4-bit key you have to consider as an EP. Suppose I have to write EP. So which code that you have to write here for the EP? 4, 1, 2, 3. And again 2, 3, 4, 1. Understood? So that EP you have to perform. That is called as exportation permutations. Got it? Now, once you have done these things, that you have to add. Okay, add which key that I have already told you. Which key you are adding over here? K2. Where is the K2? This is my K2 key. So that K2 key you have to add over. Understood? Now that you have to divide it again. Okay, so here you have to divide it again. For what? Your S0 and S4 part means that is the 4 after you are adding the key. So here I am writing my S0 is my matrix and this is my S1 is my matrix. So what is the S0 and S1 matrix? Just I am writing over here. Just little bit shift to this side. Okay, so what is the value of S0? Just have to write here S0. What are the contents are here that I am writing? So S0 having value 1032, 1032, and second row 3210. This is also the standard or fixed. You may say this is the fixed values 0213 and 3132. Got it? So this is the values for my S0 matrix, or you may say that is the S0 matrix. And what is the value of S1 then? Just I am writing the S1. Okay. In S1, what are the values? 0, 1, 2, 3. That is my first row. Second row is 2, 0, 1, 3. third row 3010, okay, and then 2103. So this is my S0, S1. So how you can use this matrix to perform calculation on your 4-bit code, okay, that I'm going to explain you. Now, once I have performing these operations on this S0, S1, so I have got that key, another one. Okay, so that I have to perform P4 operations. So that is called as a P4 over here. And that P4 again takes some output, okay, over here. You understood? See, this is my initial permutation. Then go for initial permutation value divided into the 4 part. Is the left part, right part 4. So your right part comes over here, left part over here. Once right part come over here, then come for exportation permutation. Once I have done export and permutation, then I have to add that key that is called as XOR addition K2. So K2 already I have calculated here. In decryption, you have to add K2. In encryption, I have added K1. Okay. And from this, you have to perform the operation on S0, S1 that are from the two matrices. And then P4 value you got. That P4 value again here add. Okay. Directly you have to perform the addition over here. Means suppose this is the numbers I have given. This is 2631 left part. So left part over here. So just I am writing left part over here coming. Okay. Now right part I have already done these things. Now this right part again comes directly in the downward direction. Okay. And whatever the outputs are coming, okay, from this, so that you have to add over here. Is it visible to you? This is my first one and this is my second one. Okay. Now here you have to perform the swapping that interchange the values. Here I have called suppose the SW or swap. Here you have to perform the swapping. After swapping, again, suppose this is my values are coming. Is so this is my again after swapping this is my left part and suppose this is my right part. So go over here downward direction again. You have to write on EP means what that you have to perform exportation permutation again. Okay. So what are the values that you have to use? Here 2631, that is the same, okay, for internal permutation, and then EP that you have to use the 41232341. Okay. Now come downward direction. Now what the next one, just have to put it's one scrolling down. Okay. Whatever the output of this 8-bit, okay, so that you have to add. So which key you are going to add over here? In above that I have added the key 2. So which key I have added here then? After swapping, because I have only having 2 keys, K1 and K2. Here I have added K2. After swapping, I have to add over here K1. Got it? Here you have to add K1. Now, once you have added the K1, again same procedure you have to follow. So that you have to divide again into the part of S0. Okay. And here you have to consider S1. Is it correct? Now, that is my 4-bit that I have got. Now, after S0, S1. So I have already told you this S0, S1 matrix are there. Now, here how can perform with a P4 addition that you can add P4. And after P4, that comes for the plus sums like this. This is the you have to add the sum. This is your real part. Okay. Now, once you have done this addition, and here your numbers are coming like this from right part. Okay. So here again the right. Here at last you have to perform IP inverse. Here you have to perform IP inverse. Once you perform IP inverse, then output you got the plain text. So plain text is my output. So ciphertext is my input and plain text is my output. Now debug this. That we are going to debug this algorithm. So is there any question up to this point? Just to starting the debugging, how you can debug it. So in debugging also you can understood it. So what is my ciphertext that I have got in previous example that I have considered the plain text. Okay, plain text is what is the value of plain text? So plain text having the value 100, okay, 10111. This is my plain text. Okay, and what is my ciphertext that I have got from previous encryption? 00111 000. This is my ciphertext. So this ciphertext here in decryption, I am going to take as my input. This is become my input value. Understood? This is my input value. Now, come for debugging. Now, this is the ciphertext. Suppose I am writing 00111 with the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Correct? Now, what I have given here? Initial permutation. So, what is the value for initial permutation? 2631 4857. Now, apply. So, what is the value of 2? So, put over here. 2 value is what? 0. What is the value of 6? 6 value is 0. So, put over here 6 value. What is the value of 3? 1. So, 1 value you have to put over here. Now, what is the value of 1? Is 0. So, 0 value you have to put over here. And then what is the value of 4? 4 value again the 1. Okay. So, 1 value you have to put over here. Then, what is the value of 8? So, here 8 value. So, that 8 value is 0. So, 0 you have to put over here. Then, what is the value of 5? 5 value is 1. 1 over here. And then what is the value of 7? 7 value is 0. So this is the number you have got after IP. I may say here after IP. So that's after IP. What is the value you have got? Initial permutation. Understood? Is there any question up to this point? After initial permutation. Okay. Now, what here? So that after initial permutation, here I have given 4, 4. Is it? This is the 4. This is the 4. Means that I have to divide left and right part. Here I have consider my L part, and here I have to consider my right part. Is it? Now, so that left part comes to this direction, and right part comes to this direction, and first goes to the EP. Means what? Exportation permutation. So for this I have given already this number. So what is the 4-digit number? R. So R is equals to 1010. So suppose I have applied to the 4123. So for this I have to use 1 2 3 4. Okay. So after suppose EP, what the values is come? So 4 values come first. See, 4 1 2 3. 4 1 2 3 means 0 1 0 1, and here what? 2 3 4 1, 2 3 0 1, then 4 1, 4 value 0 0 1. So this is the value I have got after EP. Understood? After EP मला कोणती व्हॅल्यू मिळाली? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. After EP कसं झालंय? So that's the after EP I have performed 4 1 2 3 2 3 4 1. Why? Because of I have having only the 4-digit number. Because of that I have divided into 2 parts with left part and right part. Got it? Now, here comes the addition of K2. See, here I have done the K2 addition. So what is the value of K2? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So perform K2 addition. So what is the value of K2? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So suppose I am performing the addition. So 0, 0, XOR 0, 1, 1. What value? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 0. So this is my next output, means where the when after applying K2. So see, so 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1. So that's come over here. See, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and here 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Got it? So now here the use of S0 and S1 matrix then. See, then coming this matrix for these numbers. So what this algorithm say? So S0, what the value, and S1, what is the value? 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. So this algorithm what said? So what are maybe the numbers that I have got in 4 digits? So for this matrix point of view, okay. So just try to show the matrix again, because of that matrix again is important. Okay, yeah, suppose that matrix I have to write here, so that is very easy to understand to you. Okay, so because of I have having the space now. So matrix value is what? See, so S0 having a matrix value. I'm again writing over here 1032, correct, and 3210. Okay, third row 0213, 3132, 3132. Got it? Now, what is the value of S1 matrix then? So S1 matrix having 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 2, 0, 1, 3, 3, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3. So these are the values for S0 and S1 matrix. So up to this, any questions from your side? Yes, all of you? No questions. Now, then proceed. See, here what they have said, how you can calculate the row and column. Suppose I have said this is my 0, 1, 2, 3. These are my all columns, and row 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. These are my rows and column. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, what they say, the first element of this S0 and the last element is considered as a row, means what? 0, 1. Okay. Suppose I have considered the row, means R as a row, so 0, 1. And then column that you have to consider the medium 2, means that is the column C is 0, 0. Is it? So that is my row and column. So 0, 1. So what is the binary value of 0, 1? Is what? 1. And 0, 0 is what? 0. See, so one row means first row, okay, and zeros column is what the value I got? 3. Are you getting my point? All of you? See, once again I am repeating. This is the 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. This is my left part and right part, correct? And that have passed to my first S0 and S1. Okay, so this is my S0 part and this is my S1, correct? Now what they have said, row, for the row point of view, you have to consider 0 and 1. This is my row. So 0, 1, see, R I have considered as row. So 0, 1 is what the value, binary value 1. Now then medium value you have to consider 0, 0. So that is my column. So 0, 0 is what? The binary value of 0, 0, 0. So first row, first zeros column, first row, okay, this is my first row, and zeros column become 3. So this is S0 become 3. And what is the value of binary in 3? 1, 1. Means what? Whenever you have to consider the numbering, so that time you have to convert to binary to the digit and then find out the numbers from this matrix. And once you find out the number from that matrix, that number you have to convert to digit to binary. So this is for what? S0. Understood? Now then go for S1. So S1 having 0 0 is my row. So row is 0 0, so becomes 0. And 1 1 column is what? 1 1. So 1 1 is what? 3. So 0 3. So 0 row and third column means this is 0 row and third column. So what the value? 0 row and third column is what? This one. Row is 0 and column is third. So this become a 3. So this again become 3, S1. So S1 become 3 means what? 1 1 value. So what is the value of S0, S1? Both are making the sum, then S0, S1 become 1 1 1 1. Understood? S0 and S1 become 1 1 1 1. Now see what here says S0, S1 become 1 1. Then what I have done here, just have to put this side. See on the top, that is the P4 you have to perform. After S0, S1 make the sum and then P4. So for this P4, what this value are coming? P4 is equals to 1 1 1 1. Okay, 4-digit number. Now here I am adding this left side. See L. Just have to go this side so that you can understand it. This is the L values are coming and this is the R value of coming. Okay, so L value from the top it's coming. So what is the left values are coming from the hypertext is what? 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this is my 0 0 1 0 and this value is coming from the top is what? 1 0 1 0. Now but what is the output after addition? Okay, so here I have got all 1 1 1 value. P4 value 1 1 1 1. Now what they have said, this is the 1 1 1 value. You have to add in 0 0 1 0. Now here I am performing the addition, then plus what? 0 0 1 0 I have to add. Understood? Now once I am adding here, see, so what is the additions for this? So 1 0 become 1 1 0 1. And what is the numbers are coming here? 1 0 1 0. So here I have to put my 1 0 1 0. So this is the key that I have got over here. Okay, so before swap I have to write here, suppose before swap. So before swapping, this digit I have got. So swapping means what? That left part you have to shift to the right and right part you have to shift to the left. So divide this into two parts, that you have to divide to the two part. Suppose I have said this is my left part and right part. So after shifting to this direction and this direction, so 1 0 1 0 become my left part, L is equals to, and R is equals to become 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now so this L, so 1 0 1 0, that you have to consider over here, 1 0 1 0 after swapping, and right part 1 1, here 1 1 0 1. See on the top, this is my 1 1 0 1 and this is 1 0 1 0. Now again perform. See that I have again used this my what? Exportion permutation. So what is the exportation permutations over here? Just I'm writing in the bracket. Okay. So 4 1 2 3 2 3 4 1. And what is the value I am got over here? 1 1 0 1. Okay. So now come to the direction, right? So R value, see, this is the R value I'm writing over here. R is equals to 1 1 0 1. Okay. So after EP, so what is the value? Here see 4 1 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. So here suppose I'm writing 1 2 3 4. So 4 1 2 3. So 1, okay, 1 1 0. Now again what they are given? 2 3 4 1. 2 3 means 1 0 4 1. This is my value. Understood? After EP. Okay. Now then what they have said, again you have to go how many times remaining now? Just 5 minutes. Suppose it's disconnected. Okay, dear students, suppose it's disconnected, then you have to join with the same link again. Okay. Now this is my after EP. So EP is over here. EP input is what? 1101. But I have applied their exportation permutation. So I have got 8 keys. See, 4 is my input and I have got 8 as an output. See, this is R is 4 digit, and after EP I have got what? 8. Once you have got 8, what they have said, here you have to add K1. And K1 value I have already told you, this is the K1 key value. So plus K1. So what is the value of K1 over here? 1010 1010, okay, 0100 0100. This is my K value you have to add. This is suppose my K1. Got it? So after addition, see, so 110 10 1 110 0 0 0 101 1 1 1. So after what? K1 addition. Now what they have said, this is the, again you have to divide. See, here I have to divide it. S0 S1. So how? Just have to put the slash like this. Jeremy that I have put this my S0 and S1 like this. See. So S1 I have to pass over here and S0 pass over here and S1. So here become 1010 already. Okay. So this 1010, that is the same, you have to consider 1010. Now 1101, here you have to consider 1101, that coming from top. Okay. Now what is the value of P4 then? What is the value of P4? But P4 value how can calculate after S0 S1? So what is the value of S0 first? S0 is equals to what? 0100. And what is the value of S1? S1 is 1111. Now what the S0 said, this is the 2 value you have to consider as a row, and this mediator 2 value you have to consider as a column. Okay. So what is 00? So 00 is binary value 0, and 10, what is the binary value of 10? Is 2. So 0's row and 2's column. See, 0's row, okay, and 2 columns, so value is 3. Okay, so that value become 3. So what is 1 1? Now over here then, what is the row and what is the column? Okay, row. So 1 1 1 1. Here simple. That is the 1 1 1 1. Means what? 3 3 3 3. So S1 matrix 3 3. Okay, third row, third column. So that is again become a 3. So 3 is again 1 1. So what is the P4 value come over here? 1 1 1 1. Got it? P4 value. So this is my P4 value. 1 1 1 1. So what they have said, that you have to add 1010. Here 1010 in P4 1111. Then comes your this value over here. So suppose I'm going to XOR at the value 1010 over here. So what is the addition? 110101 110101. So 0101 is the output of the 0101. Got it? This is my 0101. Now this is my input value 0101 and 1101. See, just I am writing over here before initial permutation inverse. Okay, 0101 1101. Okay, so now how you can perform permutations, that is initial permutation 263 14857, but how you can perform inverse of that permutations? So that is again the values are given. Okay, so for inverse, what are the values they are given? See, so 4135, just I'm writing over here so that you can understand. 4135 7286. So that you have to perform. Means is 1 2 3